All of you. So now today we are going to do the in-text question of amine. There is a question number 13.1 and 13.2. In a 13.1 question, first part is here. In the first part, they given you benzene like this. Then after that benzene, and there is attachment of NH2. But NH2 is there. It means only one hydrogen has been replaced. Only one hydrogen has been replaced. It means it is a primary amine. What is it? Primary amine. Same way, beta, you can see its second part. Okay, now you can see in the second part, benzene is there. Then again, benzene is there. Then what they told you, CH3. Now all the three hydrogen has been replaced. 1, 2, and next one is also. So it means it is an tertiary. It is an tertiary. Clear? So now after that you can see its third part. In the third part, what they told you, C2H5 twice, CHNH2, C2H5, C2H5. Now there is NH2. Now tell me now, beta. Again it is a primary. Okay, why it is primary? I think now you know very well. Because this NH2 is like that only. Okay, this NH2 is remain that only. Only one hydrogen has replaced with this one. So this is a primary. Okay, the next one is here. After that, last one, C2H5 twice NH, C2H5 twice NH, C2H5, then again C2H5, then H. Now student, you see C2H5 only means one H is there, 2 has been replaced, so it means it is a secondary amine. It is what? It is a secondary amine. So student, this was the first question. Now I am going to do the question number 2. Which question is here? Question number 2, 13.2. You see please, in the 13.2, what they told, write the structures of different isomeric amines corresponding to the molecular formula C4H11N. C4H11N. Okay बेटा, जितने भी इसके पॉसिबल हैं आइसोमर, दैट वी हैव टू मेक एंड वी हैव टू राइट देयर UPSC name also, and they ask you what type of isomer is shown by different type of isomers. Clear? So beta, mainly suppose first of all this is the formula C4H11N. तो I will try to make chain isomer. फॉर्मूला क्या है हमारे पास? C4H11N. देखो ध्यान से इधर, C4H11N, CH3, CH2, okay, then again CH2, C4 है ना, ये लो. Then after that NH2. You please count it. How many carbon is there? 4 carbon. And how many hydrogen? 11 hydrogen. It is a primary. It is a primary. Then after that, its name is butane 1-amine. Its name is butane 1-amine. ठीक है, ये number 1. Now you see particularly number 2. Number 2 में देखो बेटा क्या कर सकते हैं. What we can do? CH3, CH3, like this way can be write, CH2, NH2. Then what will be its name? Numbering will start from there only. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2-methyl propanamine. It is also a primary. Clear? same way we can write a third one. What we can write? We can write number 3. You please see, all of you, number 3. Now in number 3 what we can do, this CH3 position can be changed. CH3, CH2, CH3, then NH2. Okay, and what do you call it? Yeah, its numbering will be start from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane to amine. Butane to amine. It is also a primary. Fine. Now same way beta, we can see one more isomer. You must see, all of you, one more isomer is here. Okay, that can be possible like this. CH3, NH2. Okay, then its name is 2-methylpropane 2-amine. 2-methylpropane 2-amine. It is also a primary. Okay students, same way we can write number 5 also. What we can write? Yeah, we can write number 5 also. Okay, number 5 में देखो आप, in the number 5. Okay, in the number 5 what we can do? You must see, all of you, these all were number 4 we have made secondary amine. क्या बनाया हमने? Primary amine. Now you can see what I can write. CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3. This is called N-ethyl ethanamine. This is called N-ethyl ethanamine. What do you call it? N-ethyl ethanamine. Clear? N-ethyl ethanamine. Okay, then after that we are having number 6. What is it? Number 6 you can see. Okay, number 6, you see it very carefully बेटा. number 6 में हमारे पास क्या बनेगा? CH3, CH2. Okay, then CH2, then NH, CH3. NHCH3. This is called N-methyl. What do you call it? N-methyl propane 1-amine. This is also a secondary amine. This is number 6. Same way, but 2 more are possible. I'm going to make over there just congested, but you have to adjust. Okay, number 7. Number 7 you see what we can make? CH3, then CH3, NH, then CH3. This is also a secondary amine and its name is N-methyl propane 2-amine. N-methyl propane 2-amine. Okay, this is also a secondary. Okay student, after that we can make one more is here, that is number 8. We can make CH3, N, CH3, and just wait, C2H5. Its name is N, N dimethyl ethanamine. It is a tertiary. So these all we have made. This one name of this one is N comma N dimethyl ethanamine. Now beta they ask you in a second part, what type of isomer is shown by a different type of amines, by the different type of amines. That I will tell you. If you will see all these, then you will find out first and second. I'm rubbing these one. Okay, before rubbing I will tell you what they told you, that okay, just wait. Yeah, first and the second, they told first and second are the chain isomer. You can see the difference. CH3 group is here. Okay, then they told third and fourth is also a chain isomer. Third and fourth. Where is our third? ये बड़ा बड़ा third and the fourth, you can see third and the fourth is also a chain isomer. Then first and fourth, which one is here? First and fourth, ये दोनों भी क्या है? चेन आइसोमर. यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ चेन आइसोमर? चेन आइसोमर का मतलब होता है फंक्शनल ग्रुप विल रिमेन सेम. दैट इज वाई एवरीवेयर प्राइमरी इज हेयर बट द चेन इज डिफरेंट. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी कैन हैव अ पोजीशन आइसोमर आल्सो. व्हाट वी कैन हैव? वी कैन हैव पोजीशन आइसोमर आल्सो. तो वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोजीशन आइसोमर, दे टोल्ड सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. what they told, second and third are the position isomerism. क्या है हमारे पास? Yeah, second and third are the position, because position of the CH3 group has been changed only. Then they told second and fourth. कौन सा बोला है? ये वाला second and ये वाला fourth. ये भी क्या है? position isomerism. In this also no change in the functional group position. Then we are having a metamers. What is it? Metamers. What are the metamers? क्या होते हैं metamers? Anybody from you can tell me metamers? हाँ, metamers होते हैं कि functional group के around number of carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms around the functional group. Now you see, all of you, here is 2 carbon atom and here is also a 2 carbon atom around the NH. But here in this case, here is 3, here is 1. So that is why they told, okay, are you getting my point? That is why they told 5th and 6th are metamers. Then 7th and 8th also. Which one they told? 7th. ये देखो बेटा 7th. Yeah, this is the 7th. 1, 2, 3 around the NH, and here it is 1. Okay, but in the 8th, here it is 1, here it is 2 and 3. Difference is there. In different number of carbon atoms. That is why they are metamers. Then functional isomer. All the 3 type of amines are functional isomer of each other. All the 3 type of amines are functional isomer of each other. I hope you are getting my point. Clear? Now student, after that, okay, after this question we can do next one. Okay, this is the in-text unsolved question is here. Now we are having this particular question is here. This is the in-text solved question. You must see, all of you, very carefully. In this question, what they told you? They told you write the chemical equation for the following reactions. Reaction of ethanoic acid NH3 with the C2H5Cl. Okay, then a monolysis of benzyl chloride reaction of amine so formed with the 2 moles of CH3Cl. But the first part, in the first part, what they are asking you? In the first part, they are asking you reaction of ethanolic ammonia. Okay, ethanolic ammonia with the C2H5Cl means CH3, CH2Cl, and there is ammonia. There is a ammonia, and I think you know very well HCl will be removed and there will be CH3, CH2, to NH2. Am I right? To NH2. We can do it again. We can do it again. आई आपको याद होगा हॉफमैन अमोनोलिसिस रिएक्शन. Again you do it with the C2H5Cl. Then there will be formation of CH3, CH2, N. Here is H, C2H5. This is the secondary amine. Okay, then after that, but you can give it reaction again with the C2H5Cl. C2H5Cl. Then there will be C2H5, C2H5. Okay, yes or no? This is the tertiary amine you are getting over there. Clear? This is also called Hofmann ammonolysis. Now you must see its second part. You must see its second part. In the second part, what they told, ammonolysis of benzyl chloride with the benzyl chloride and a reaction of amine so formed with the 2 moles of CH3Cl with the 2 moles of CH3Cl. First of all, they told ammonolysis of benzyl chloride, and reaction of amine, Okay, student, then what is the formula of benzyl chloride, beta? This is the formula, C6H5. This is the benzyl chloride formula, and we are giving its reaction with the ammonia. With what? We are giving it with the ammonia, and what you will get over there? Same reaction, but same. You will get over there CH2, NH2. Clear? Then we have to give, they told 2 moles of CH3Cl. First of all, 1 mole of CH3Cl. Then what will happen there, beta? I think CH2 will remain as it is, NH, then CH3Cl. Clear? There is NH. Then after that, again CH3Cl. अच्छा एक बात और बेटा, really sorry, ACl नहीं है, that can be removed. Then again you will do it. Then it will be N, CH3, CH2. Is that clear, beta? 2 alkyl group will be there. Are you getting my point, all of you? This is not difficult question. It was an easy question. Then after that, we are having an example number 13.2. Which example is here? 13.2. Write a chemical equation for the following conversion: ethyl chloride to propane amine. Ethyl chloride, देखो बेटा, formula is C2H5Cl to propane amine means C3H7NH2. But whenever there is an increase of carbon, always give the reaction with the nitrile. So you give this reaction with the KCN, it will give C2H5CN. Then after that you do the reduction and you will get the desired product. Fine. Okay, the next one they told C6H5. Next one they told C6H5CH2Cl2, C6H5CH2CH2NH2. Again they increase 1 carbon. So again you give the reaction with the KCN. But both first and second part are same. Always remember, whenever there is an increased number of carbon, usually we are doing the reaction with the nitriles. So there can be an increase of carbon. After that you do the reduction. Clear? Okay, student. Then after that we are having a next one is here. Write the structure and the IUPAC name of the question. Okay, this one we'll do in the next video. Thank you very much.